In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Acuity Scheduling page. In order to do that, you first need to head over to acuityscheduling.com and proceed to create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option right here. Now, if you already have an account, you could proceed to do so by clicking onto this Login option that we can find into this part. Now, since I already have an account, let me show you what it looks like. Here is my account right here. To customize your Acuity scheduling page, proceed to click onto the scheduling page icon that you can see right here. After you have done that, you can see right here the free view of your actual scheduling page. So you can actually have the option to edit your text, your styles, settings, and the likes. Let's first edit the text that we have by clicking on this edit text. From in there, you can click on any element or any text element that you wish to use and edit it. For example, we have in here date and time, we have in here appointment option, consultation, and in here we have our actual page right here. You can add availability message right here. Now, it only has a small tweaking, so let's change right here to style. In your style page, you can choose to match your website based on this. If you enable this, all of the color scheme that your website have will be added right here. Your styles are now synced, so you can choose right here the options that you can add for this case. I'll choose right here this option 4 since this is very light to the eye. You can also choose the background, schedule your background, header text, as well as font, button, accent colors, as well as other options that we have right here. You can close this and you can also change right here other options that we have. Once you're done, proceed to click onto the save option and then head over and click onto this get started in order to start your trial. So after that, this should be able to save all the progress that you have made. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.